Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today's task is to reshape a badge icon using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting your badge shape. Activate the direct selection tool to show anchor points. Click the top anchor and adjust its curve for symmetry. Move the left anchor and pull it downward slightly. Also adjust handles for a subtle curve. Now repeat the shaping process on the right anchor and also refine lower anchors for consistent flow. Now smooth out the entire bottom curve. Adjust anchor position for perfect balance. Zoom in to refine smaller imperfections and also adjust each handle to control the curves. Review the whole badge for clean geometry. Apply final shape